Did you know these surprising facts about Miami? Miami is a city of stories, a vibrant haven for diverse individuals. Today, we're exploring 10 astonishing facts about Miami. From its stunning skyline, linguistic variety, incredible wildlife, to its renowned Art Deco district, we're revealing a side of Miami you've never witnessed. A city that perpetually surprises its visitors and inhabitants alike. Miami's uniqueness radiates from every corner, intertwining urban life and nature with a distinct flair. It's a city that embodies vivacity, diversity, and surprise in every aspect. Are you ready to dive in and discover some amazing facts about vibrant city? Buckle up, because Miami has more to offer than you might imagine. Starting off with number 10, Miami is a linguistically diverse city. A majestic, vibrant metropolis, Miami serves as a rich melting pot of ethnicities, dialects, and languages. The majority of this intriguing city's population use Spanish as their primary language at home, with an impressive 60% of its residents speaking it as their mother tongue. This statistic is truly remarkable for a city housed within the United States. This fact positions Miami as the second city in the world with the highest population of Spanish speakers, only outpaced by Mexico City. However, it's not just about the sheer volume. The Spanish language's influence has beautifully permeated deep into the city's DNA. From its street names, the delicious cuisine, pulsating music, to the vibrant festivals, Spanish is everywhere. This linguistic integration only goes to show how Miami embraces its cultural diversity, creating an fusion of American and Hispanic cultures. It adds an irresistible charm, making Miami a city that stands out. So if you're planning to visit Miami, hablas español? Moving on to fact number 9, Miami boasts a unique skyline. This vibrant city isn't just about the sunshine, ocean, and golden beaches. Its skyline stands dominant, ranked third in the US, trailing only New York and Chicago. Picture over 300 towering buildings, each reflecting individuality and history. From modern, gleaming glass structures to the charisma of Art Deco designs, Miami exhibits a breathtaking architectural variety. This panorama is a feast for the eyes, capturing the essence of Miami's spirit. So, when you find yourself strolling through the city streets, don't forget to glance. That's a lot of elevators. At number 8, Miami is truly a city of sun. It enjoys a unique subtropical climate, with the temperature ranging from 75 to 85 degrees all year round. Picture a place where the sun never stops shining, where summer is eternal. Living in Miami feels like a never-ending. The city is warm, welcoming, and basks in sun-drenched glory. It's an inviting paradise, a city that perfectly captures the endless summer spirit. Radiating golden warmth, Miami is irresistible. This sun-soaked haven is why Miami Beach is universally adored. No wonder everyone loves Miami Beach. Fact number 7 transports us to Miami's Art Deco district. Imagine a world filled with striking, colorful buildings, each flaunting their own unique architectural charm. You're not just dreaming of a captivating scene, you're picturing the lively essence of Miami. In particular, South Beach, the heart of the city's Art Deco district, houses the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture. This design style, characterized by its symmetrical geometric patterns and vibrant colors, made a lasting global impression during the 1920s and 1930s. As a city at the cutting edge of style, Miami heartily embraced this design trend. The influence of Art Deco is undeniably seen in the buildings, ranging from towering hotels to residential apartments within this area. What makes Miami's Art Deco district truly unique is its distinctive tropical twist. Picture nautical themes, palm tree, and light hues injecting the singular Miami spirit into these architectural masterpieces. This area is a shining example of how design and location can weave together to create something genuinely one of a kind. The fusion of bold geometric designs and soft light colors reflecting the city's sunny, beachy vibe creates a visual experience unlike any other. With every step, you'll find yourself in awe of the architectural wonders that the city has treasured and celebrated over the years. The Art Deco district, with its tropical charisma, isn't merely a part of the city, it personifies Miami. Now that's a sight you must. Moving on to fact number 6. Ever wondered where Miami got its name from? Well, the answer is steeped in history, tracing back to the 16th and 17th centuries. A native tribe, the Miamis, resided in this area during these times. The term Miami is a derivative of Miami, symbolizing big water, a reference to the lake that was once present in this locale. Hence, the name Miami stands as an homage to its indigenous residents and the geography they occupied. A city with a rich history indeed. At number 5, Miami's unique wildlife is not to be missed. This city teems with a diverse range of species. Famous for pink flamingos that parade with grace, Miami is a haven for bird enthusiasts. However, it's not solely about avian life. The endangered Florida panther, a true symbol of can be spotted in the outskirts, adding another feather to Miami's biodiversity cap. So it's not just about pristine beaches, non-stop parties, or vibrant nightlife. Miami is also synonymous with an abundant wildlife spectacle nestled in an urban setting. Who needs a zoo when you have Miami's fauna? Fact number 4, Miami loves the movies. This bustling city has time and again been chosen as the setting for countless films and popular TV shows. The vibrant Art Deco district in particular has served as a stunning backdrop for cinematic storytelling. A prime example, the iconic Vice. The show didn't merely opt for Miami as its location, but completely absorbed its unique style and lively culture. This of Miami's distinct aesthetic and pulsating energy has led many filmmakers to follow suit. The city has a knack for snatching the spotlight and ingraining itself into the cinematic memory of audiences worldwide. And that's a wrap on Fact 4, folks. Action! Coming in at number 3, Miami is the cruise capital of the world. Known globally for its bustling energy, the Port of Miami stands as an icon for cruise lovers. This vibrant hub earns its title as the world's cruise capital by welcoming an astounding number of passengers annually. With a footfall of nearly 5 million passengers a year, its popularity is undeniable. Acting a gateway, it bridges the gap between the Caribbean and the world. Its strategic location and bustling atmosphere serve as the starting point for countless maritime adventures, a haven for those seeking the thrill of the high seas and the soothing touch of tropical breezes. Miami's port is your starting point. Ready to set sail? Fact number 2, Miami is home to an underwater memorial. Picture a tranquil underwater city. This is the Neptune Memorial Reef. This submerged mausoleum, located just off Miami's coast, serves as a final resting place for cremated remains. But it's more than a burial ground, it's a vibrant marine environment filled with coral, darting fish, and other marine life. This underwater memorial demonstrates the cycle of life, death, and rejuvenation. The Neptune Memorial Reef truly is a beautiful final resting place. And finally, fact number 1, Miami is the only major U.S. city founded by a woman. Let's explore about Julia Tuttle, a visionary businesswoman. After moving Florida, she foresaw Miami's potential and convinced Henry Flagler to extend his railway here, thereby catalyzing the city's development. Fondly remembered as the mother of her remarkable contributions are permanently etched in the city's history. And that wraps up our countdown of surprising facts about Miami. Isn't Miami full of surprises? Well, that was quite a journey, wasn't it? We explored Miami's linguistic diversity, its unique skyline and ever-bright sunshine. We wandered through the Art Deco district, uncovered its name's origin, encountered wildlife, and delved into its cinematic past. We sailed from its cruise port, dived to its underwater memorial, and met its founding mother. Miami is rich with surprising secrets. Don't hold back. Share your discoveries below. There's always something new to unearth about Miami. Until next time, keep exploring.